Today's quiz is about revenue recognition. Question 1. Under ASC 606, when can a company recognize revenue from a software subscription with implementation services? Correct answer is option C. Question 2. How does the right of return provision impact revenue recognition? Correct answer is option B. Question 3. A construction company using the percentage of completion method must disclose. Correct answer is option B. Question 4. Why is principal vs agent analysis critical in revenue recognition? Correct answer is option B. Question 5. How should a company account for a material customer prepayment? Correct answer is option B. 1 million contract with 3 performance obligations, that is 350K, 400K, and 250K, has 200K in discounts. How much revenue is recognized when the 350K obligation is fulfilled? Correct answer is option C. Solution to this question is available at the end of the quiz. Question 7. The most subjective aspect of revenue recognition is. Correct answer is option B. Question 8. Why would a company restate prior period revenue? Correct answer is option A. Question 9. A SaaS company has 800K annual subscriptions with average customer lifespan of 4 years. What's the monthly revenue recognition? Correct answer is option C. Question 10. A bill and hold arrangement requires. Correct answer is option D. Let's take a look at question 6 solution. Under IFRS 15, when a contract includes multiple performance obligations and a volume discount, the discount must be allocated proportionally to all performance obligations based on their standalone selling prices. Total contract price, 1 million. Obligation 1, 350,000. Obligation 2, 400,000. Obligation 3, 250,000. Now allocate the discount of 200,000 proportionally. It will give us 35%, 40%, and 25% respectively. 35% of 200,000 discount is 70,000. And we'll calculate the same for other two. Now deduct the allocated discount amount from each obligation. As per our question's requirement, we need to calculate revenue recognition for 350K. So deduct 70K from 350K. And you will have your answer of 280K. Question 9 solution. Let's understand question first. Annual subscriptions revenue, $800,000. Average customer lifespan, 4 years. Annual revenue multiplied by lifespan, that is 800K multiplied by 4 equals to 3.2 million. Now, monthly revenue equals to total revenue divided by total months. That is 3.2 million divided by 48 equals to $66,666.67. Conclusion. The $800,000 is already the annual revenue from subscriptions. Though IFRS 15 requires recognizing revenue as services are delivered, not deferred over the full customer lifespan. The 4-year lifespan would matter for customer lifetime value, but not monthly revenue recognition under ASC 606. So you all thought this will be an easy quiz like previous ones. Follow now. There are more advanced level quiz coming.